Welcome to Faulkner Park in Tyler, Texas. Today we're on our way to Shreveport, Louisiana to visit the grave of Thomas Hoot Rains. This is actually a natural wildlife habitat. And we're at the beginning of the nature trail. And this is the mountain bike trail. Remember Hoot and Curley. His grave is at Centuries Memorial Park in Shreveport. Hoot Rains and Curley Hendren joined the Slim Whitman's band in 1950. They got wide exposure on the radio and TV show Louisiana Hayride, which was played on TV and radio during the 1940s and 50s. Hoot's soaring steel and Curley's lead guitar produced a sound like no other. Give me a gal with a hillbilly heart. Life is good here in Tyler, Texas. Hoot and Curley struck up a double act themselves. They performed and recorded as a fine harmony duo, called, of course, Hoot and Curley. Hoot played a Gibson D8 Grand. Slim Whitman's Indian Love Call reached #1 on the pop charts. Hoot and Curley had several hits. You Get What You Pay For, Another Man's Wife, Liniment, and Turpentine. This is the lake out here at the park. The baseball fields. Skateboard park. The car's all gassed up. We're ready to go to Shreveport. This is Centuries Memorial Park in Shreveport, Louisiana. And we're here today to find the grave of Hoot Rains. They call this the tower. The Lord's Prayer. The fountain. Right behind the building, as we make our way through the graveyard, we find the grave of Thomas Hoot Rains. There's a flower on the ground here, and some more right here. And it says, Thomas Hoot Rains, beloved husband, September 15th, 1914 to October 12th, 1991. And right next to him is our Molly Babe Rains, beloved wife, December 27th, 1916 to February 14th, 1998. And this says, together forever.